How to make your home look like you hired an interior designer. You can do it. Here's how. Have you been looking for color palette sources and inspiration for your home's interior? Color inspiration from the top 5 sources. Number 1. Magazines and social media sites like Instagram and Pinterest are all good places to start. From classic to contemporary design, these are fantastic resources. Pin, mark, or save your style and color groupings once you've discovered them for your reference. Number 2. The natural world. Make use of your imagination and the natural creativity available to you. The leaves, stones, and/or flowers, for example, will create a monochrome impression. Look to a forest, a body of water, or the mountains for inspiration on how to combine colors in your house design. Outdoors is a great place to get ideas and get inspired. Number 3. Fruits and vegetables. Try going to your local market and seeing how the colors blend when fruits and vegetables are arranged and blended. Use your imagination to come up with color schemes for this combination. It's entertaining and motivating. Number 4. Your wardrobe. Your specific color favorites will be determined by your unique color preferences within your closet. From your favorite dress to your scarves and ties, there's something color for everyone. These color schemes can be used in your room settings because your sources are your particular faves, and you can't go wrong with them. Number 5. Your personal collections. Color inspiration can also come from your room's dinnerware, pottery, and art display. Because this type of source is personal and well curated, you'll get a good notion of the colors you prefer. Once you find the right colors for your space, select paint cards that match the chosen colors and carry them with you whenever you shop so you have references, and get the correct color palette for your interior. Thank you for watching. Please support this channel for more educational videos by liking, sharing, and subscribing.